Okay, so that's one thing we can do. The other thing we can do is tweak the roughness. And here it's pretty easy because this is again a very good roughness map. We can add to this a color correct. I'm going to put it right here so it's already plugged inside. And the color correct, we have here the gamma. So here, using just the gamma, we're going to make the material more or less rough. Meaning if I decrease here the gamma, we're going to have something which is more reflective, not as diffuse. With some night reflection, we can recognize here this one, the arrow light from our dome light, and I can do the other way by increasing the gamma here and making it rougher. And we could change by using, if I go back to our gamma here to 1, by using the level scale, I can decrease the overall roughness of the thing. So if I go back to 0.5, so it's not exactly the same as the gamma. The gamma is the contrast. The level scale is kind of overall level of everything. Here I could go back to 1.5. And you can see it's not exactly the same thing as we had before with the gamma when I put it to 2 or something like that. And of course, you can use both.